If you want to make sure every visitor to your website connects securely with HTTPS instead of HTTP, and you're using Cloudflare, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to seamlessly redirect all your traffic from HTTP to HTTPS. Whether you want a simple set it and forget it setup, or more control with custom rules, let's jump right in with the first and often the best method. Using Cloudflare's always use HTTPS feature. Think of this as the master switch for your domain's security. Every time someone types in http:// Cloudflare will instantly reroute them through a secure https:// connection. Here's how to do it. First, log into your Cloudflare dashboard and select the domain you want to secure. Once you're inside, look over at the left-hand menu and click on SSL/TLS. Now you'll notice a few tabs at the top. Click on Edge Certificates. Scroll down a little and you'll see an option labeled Always Use HTTPS. Go ahead and toggle that switch to the on position. That's really all there is to it. This one action tells all of Cloudflare's Edge servers, think of them as security checkpoints around the globe, to automatically redirect any plain HTTP requests to use HTTPS. And it takes effect right away. So even if some of your visitors have your old HTTP address saved, or if links out there still use HTTP, everyone is routed through a secure channel. You don't need to mess with complicated settings, and you don't have to update every possible link yourself. It just works. No, sometimes you might want a little more flexibility. Maybe you only want certain parts of your site to redirect. Or maybe you have a special subdomain you want handled differently. In those cases, Cloudflare's redirect rules have your back. Let's walk through how to set that up. Start from your Cloudflare dashboard and navigate to the Rules section. Here, Cloudflare makes things easier with templates. Look for one called Redirect from HTTP to HTTPS and click on Preview Template. This template is pre-configured to catch any HTTP traffic and redirect it to the secure version. Next, click Create New Single Redirect. Give your rule a clear, descriptive name, something like Redirect from HTTP to HTTPS, so you can find it easily later. You'll see a setting for if incoming requests match, and a wildcard pattern is already in place to handle all HTTP traffic, such as HTTP://. You can adjust this if you want to target specific URLs, but it's perfectly fine as is for a full site redirect. Cloudflare uses wildcards in the pattern. Those asterisks mean it will catch requests for any files or pages on your site, no matter the paths, and route them the right way. Now, set your target URL to HTTPS://$1, where $1 stands for whatever path or file was originally requested. So your visitors always land exactly where they intended, just over a secure connection. For the status code, choose 301, since this tells browsers and search engines this redirect is permanent. And if you want to keep any search parameters, check Preserve Query String. Once everything's ready, just click Deploy. Cloudflare will take care of applying your rule, and your site will be a lot safer because of it. And that's it. Whether you use the quick, always use HTTPS switch or a flexible redirect rule, you're taking a big step in protecting your visitors and boosting your site's professionalism. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ran into any hiccups. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time.